Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create Coinbase account. Coinbase. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course go to their website, which is coinbase.com. Now for today's tutorial, we will be focusing on how you will be able to create an account through a desktop or through your browser. Now the way to do it on your mobile phone or through the app is completely different, but we're going to show you how to do it through Coinbase over here. Now, after going to their website, simply click on Get Started over here on the top right, and then you will be redirected to this page. Simply click on Download Coinbase, which is an extension, which is this one over here. You will be able to install it through the Chrome Web Store. After adding this extension to your browser, you simply open your extension list over here, open Coinbase, and you will be able to see this pop-up over here, which is the extension of Coinbase. The next thing you're going to do is, of course, click on Create New Wallet, and then over here, you will have this 12-word password over here, verification. You can simply check them out. As you can see here, case and key over here. Simply click on I understand, click on Continue, select the first and 12th letter over here, click that, key in, click on Submit, and then simply enter the specific password or any password that you're trying to have for your Coinbase account. And after that, you will be able to create your account in Coinbase. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.